Hi, today I'm making chicken and sausage Cajun pasta. So this is a easy weeknight meal. You're going to start with 2 cups of dried penne pasta, a quarter cup of diced sausage. It can be chicken sausage, turkey sausage, pork, whatever you like. A quarter cup of red bell pepper chopped medium size, not too large. You'll also need a quarter cup of green bell pepper as well as a quarter cup of diced white onion. Next, what we're going to do is prepare our pasta. So we have enough water to cover the noodles. I'm adding a couple of teaspoons of olive oil to the water. And I also add a little salt too, just a little bit. And then I'm adding a bouillon cube because my goal is for the pasta to be flavored. Next, I'm going to start by cooking the meat. So I'm starting with my chicken. I'm going to saute that in a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. I'm adding in my garlic because I tend to cook the garlic and the chicken together. I will add in the sausage, or in this case, the turkey sausage, and just saute, right? Just gonna let that cook. And once the sausage, chicken, and garlic are completely cooked, I'm next going to add my diced onion, and then shortly thereafter, my green bell pepper, and I'm just gonna saute. Right, I'm gonna just cook that all together, and I cook the green bell pepper first because it'll cook down a little bit more. I want to keep the red bell pepper for a few minutes later. Sometimes the peppers cook down pretty fast, and I want to hold the red bell peppers to hold up pretty well, so I add those a little later, not too much later, but the goal is for it to have this, the peppers to have the flavor of the sausage and the chicken. Now I'm using a Campbell's Creamy Cajun kind of soup sauce. So you can find these in your grocery store. I've stepped away to drain the penne pasta. And now I'm adding the flavored pasta back to the chicken and sausage mixture, right? I've been sauteing it. Now I'm going to add that pasta right there into the same pot. We definitely want this to be a one-pot meal. I'm adding the package of creamy Cajun sauce. It calls for 1 cup of water, and I'm just gonna give that a brief stir. My last ingredient is Italian seasoning to your taste. So we're gonna add that to the pasta. We're going to give it another stir, and then I'm gonna cover it for about 10 to 15 minutes while it kind of cooks down. And once it's done, it's ready to serve. It looks a little like this. This recipe will serve about 4 people. I've used 2 pounds of chicken and about a half a pound of sausage. This 30-minute recipe is easy to make after work, and it refrigerates very well.